Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. I am Muhammad Saqib. I am a Hafiz of Quran and pursuing Alimiyat at Jamia Islamia Isha'atul Ulum. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Noble Education Academy and Jamia Islamia Isha'atul Ulum for imparting us the art of public speaking. Respected teachers, honorable guests and judges, and my dear friends. As I said in my introduction that I am a Hafiz of Quran, I want to talk to you about the importance of the English language for the Huffaz of Quran. Huffaz possess an amazing ability to memorize. They memorize 6,236 ayahs in total. Isn't it a great number? A person who can memorize such a great number of ayat, just imagine the ability of such a person to acquire other branches of knowledge present in the modern day world. They can be great speakers, philosophers, lecturers, professors, scientists, and whatnot. The question is, why is it important to learn English for the Huffaz of Quran? To answer this question, we need to understand a few more points. The anti-Islamic atmosphere created by the powers that be afraid of the golden principles of Islam has made the world Islamophobic. So people are trying to find out if Islam is really such a terrible religion. For this, they are not only studying Islamic history and the life of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, but also analyzing the actions of the Muslims of the present day and their morals and affairs. Therefore, one aspect of wisdom is that Muslims should never give up the cause of justice in disputes and discussions. The Quran says, قُلْ أَمَرَ رَبِّي بِالْقِسْطِ. Say, my Lord has commanded justice. The Quran further says, يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا كُونُوا قَوَّامِينَ لِلَّهِ شُهَدَاءَ بِالْقِسْطِ. O you who believe, stand out firmly for Allah as a witness to fair dealing. And let not the hatred of others to you make you swerve to wrong and depart from justice. Be just and fear Allah, as Allah is well acquainted with all that you do. One aspect of wisdom is dialogue and negotiation. Obviously, a dialogue with good verse and good manners has a positive effect. The Quran commands the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Ud'u ila sabili rabbika bil hikmati wal maw'izatil hasana." Call to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good advice and discuss with them in the best way. This is how the Quran explains. قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. And good and evil cannot be equal. So answer the harsh words in a way that is very good. My dear brothers and sisters, today the world is looking for peace, and in order to achieve peace, it is necessary to follow the path of the Quran. And no one can do this job better than a Hafiz, because Hafiz remembers the appropriate verse for every occasion. They do not need to search for verses by chance or place. In such a case, if the memorizer is also taught the English language, and he is also taught the translation of the Quran, then he can present the teachings of the Quran to the whole world in a very effective manner. My dear brothers, if a teenager can keep more than 500 pages of the Quran by heart forever, and can recite any verse of the Quran and any surah fluently without looking at Quran, then why can't he learn other sciences and other languages of the world? In this regard, the work done by Jamia Islamia Isha'atul Ulum for us is unprecedented and unforgettable. The combination of Quran, science and English made by the Jamia Islamia Isha'atul Ulum here is unmatched. We believe that one day, inshallah, the effective message of peace will be conveyed to the whole world from here, which will change the atmosphere of the world. That message of peace and message of action will make our country a superpower of the world. I end up my talk with a few couplets in Arabic. بِقَدْرِ لُغَاتِ الْمَرْءِ يَكْثُرُ نَفْعُهُ فَتِلْكَ لَهُ عِنْدَ الشَّدَائِدِ أَعْوَانُ فَبَادِرْ إِلَى حِفْظِ اللَّغَاتِ مُسَارِعًا فَكُلُّ لِسَانٍ فِي الْحَقِيقَةِ إِنسَانُ. Thank you very much indeed for your cooperation, and have a wonderful day.